Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Yuri. Today we are going to change out the windshield wipers. It's pretty a simple task, but I'll go ahead and show you step by step how I do it. Let's go ahead and put some gloves on. Okay, windshield wipers. Let's go ahead and do the driver's side. I purchased, so 24 should be the driver's side. So we'll go ahead and change that one first. So let's go ahead and remove it from the package. I'm gonna measure it up to make sure it's the correct size. All right, it looks like the correct size. And these are Michelin as well. So go ahead and pop this up. So first you pop this up. And then this should just slide there. So this is what I did. This is how it was, like that. Lift it up and then you slide this down. There. So you slide it down and then you unhook it off of that. So here's the new one. Go ahead and lift this up. So once it's hooked on like that, pull this forward as much as you can and then pop this down. There. And then this is the cover. Go ahead and slide the cover off for the blade. Right. Let's do the passenger side. Go ahead and lift this up, open, and then slide it through. All right, so now we need, it should be the 21. This one. All right. The cover, and I clip this back down. So basically, here, I'll show you. So here, so this is off. You go ahead and slide this. So I hold it. This is about 45-degree angle, and then press it all the way through. So do you see how it touches the blade back here? And then now I pull it back and line this up. So you pull this out, it sits in the groove, and then you press this down. Make sure you press it down so it clicks. There we go. All right, it clicks in place, so you don't want it flying off. All right, well, those are done for the front windshield. Let's go to the back. All right, we are changing the back windshield wiper blade. So what you see here is, here from this angle, do you see this windshield wiper right here? What you do is you grab this and you pull this out and take out the blade. We're just replacing the blade. We're not replacing the whole arm. All right. So from here, you can grab this, pull the whole blade out, and then you take this and you basically slide this back into the arm. From the top side. This is what you see from the top side. So do you see how it's going through those little channels? And there's more over here as well. There. So those little channels. Okay, so if you see right here, this needs to pop in. So you keep sliding it there. And do you see how it clicked in place? So now it's locked in. All right, basically there's the rear wiper blade replacement.